from medical school. Of course I wanted to quit like almost every day. Of course. Repeat.
Okay.
ከአንድም ሁለት አንደኛው it was even like አንደኛው it was because it was hard ሞክሬ አልቻልኩትም ነው ከአቅሜ በላይ ስለሆነ ነው
ምን ላይ ነው የደብሽው
ፋርማና ማይክሮ
okay
like እኔ እንትን ነው የምወደው like logic science this happens so this happens ምናምን ፋርማ ደግሞ it's like a bunch of names that I had to like memorize and I was so bad at it like እና like oral ራሱ ኤግዛም ገብቼ ምናምን ሲጠይቀኝ ፈታኛም like I know how this drug works ግን I don't know the name. It ends with LOL. Beta blockers. It ends with LOL. It ends with like this. I don't know the name now. Just I know mechanism of action. Like the process is like a story. Like you don't forget it. Names I'm bad at it. This is like the mobile saat micro na pharma demo. ሽንደዳቸው በጣም የሚከብድ ነውና የዛኔ I feel first time I was like okay I deserve it ምናምን it hurts. It really hurts.